In this video, I will show you over 90 million customers waiting with their credit cards to pay you to watch your video. And these guys have apparently made $60,995, and you will learn how you can make that too starting today. I am here to show you how you can turn the time you spend on the internet into hard, cold cash. You ready? Absolutely free, no money, no skill, no experience required. Stay tuned. And on top of that, you will get my artificial intelligence software Epic to take 99% of the workload for you. And this software is free, link is in the description, go get it. I will show you 90 million customers. I will show you what they are buying and how you make money out of them even without trying to sell anything. Literally no selling required. You can make money even if you have never sold anything in your life. This system is 100% beginner friendly and you can start making money starting today. Even if you are a brand newbie with zero technical knowledge, zero experience, and even if you have never made a single penny online, and you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, or digital currency, I mean crypto. There is absolutely no limit of how much money you can make, and I'm showing you here as an example. You can use this example directly or you can use it to make money in many different ways. Before we begin, our goal of this channel is to help 100 million individuals and families learn to make money online fast and easy. This is our goal for next 10 years. Our information and softwares are 100% free for you so you can learn, use, and make money online faster and easier. We bear the costs of making these videos and softwares for you so you don't have to. But this won't be possible to continue without your support. And you can support us with just a free like and share. So please hit the like button below and share this video with your friends and family in social media and Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, and via emails. This way, YouTube algorithm will know that this is a good and helpful video and they should share this video with more and more people. And this is the only way you can help us hit our goal and your goal, of course, of changing the lives of 100 million people in the next 10 years. So go ahead, hit the like button and share this video. By the way, if you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next how to make money online video. You are watching this video because you will get a step-by-step system done for you example, a role model to follow, done for you customers, done for you marketplace, and the software that you need to start making money today. And everything is coming to you for free. All the links are in the description. So the chance for the beginners to get fast results in this 60K zero selling method is pretty much guaranteed. We know this system works because right now we follow the exact same system and get visitors from YouTube 100% free using 3 minutes of work with our software Epic. And we make $5 from every visitor that we get from our videos, $5,000 from 1,000 visitors, and for example, 2 of our offers generated over $60,000 from around 12,000 visitors that came from our videos. To make these videos, we use our software Epic. When you use Epic, you won't have to use camera, you won't have to use your own voice and microphone, and you won't have to write any content or video script because Epic does everything on your behalf using artificial intelligence. Because Epic makes videos using free links, text, image, and video clips. Epic writes video script using artificial intelligence, and Epic generates natural voiceover from text. How cool is that? All the Epic users get the same benefits. All our users get full access to our videos as well. They can use our videos as templates from inside their user dashboard and they can make their own videos using them. You are getting Epic free to try from the link in the description. Now let's begin our journey to learn how these guys are earning $60,000 from 60K zero selling method, and how you can start making the same money starting today. Udemy is a website that sells videos. When you bundle videos, they are called as course or class. According to SimilarWeb, Udemy is a $200 million to $1 billion company that has 97.3 million monthly visitors and customers at the time of recording this video. Their traffic and customers come from search engine, social media, email marketing, and advertisements. All marketing done by Udemy and costs paid by Udemy. 63%, which is 3/5 of their customers, visit Udemy directly, and they keep buying videos after videos. These are the loyal customers, and these are the type of customers who love to learn skills, and they are ready to pay with their credit cards for knowledge and skill. So Udemy is making money selling bundles of videos, which are often called as courses, but they have a problem, and the problem is they don't make videos. They depend on video creators, which they call teachers like you and me, who make videos and publish the videos on their platform. So Udemy constantly needs new videos and video creators to attract new customers and also have existing customers keep buying new courses. Udemy knows that its creators are not good at marketing. So Udemy takes the responsibility of marketing and sending customers to the creators and their videos. Joining Udemy is free and publishing videos on Udemy is free. The problem now for you is making videos. That is why I am here to show you how you can turn your time you spend on the internet into hard cold cash by utilizing Udemy, their marketing, and their 90 million customers for free. Let's start with money. Look at this code: mobile photography, iPhone and Android complete masterclass. At the time of recording this video, they have 5,545 students, and the price of this course is $11. So 5,545 times $11 equals $60,995. They made this money, and you can make it too. Please note, this is an approximate revenue generated from this course. Definitely at some point they have given away the course for free, and at some point they charged a lot more, up to $100 to $300 for the course. Step number 1, you don't need to buy. Check the what you will learn section and take note of what topics and modules they discussed in the course. Then go to the course content section and click the expand all section. You will see all the topics, subtopics and modules and the length of the video. Now you have got a clear idea of what customers are buying, right? Step number 2, go to Skillshare. Sign up to Skillshare for free using the link in the description. Once you sign up, it's free for 30 to 90 days, and all the courses are free for you for that time. I personally recommend you continue with the subscription as I do, because this way you get all those courses for free. You don't have to buy course after course again and again like Udemy. At the moment, we need just free version. Search for mobile photography, and at the moment of shooting this video, there are 193 courses or classes on this topic. Use these courses to learn the modules and topics that are discussed in the Udemy course and learn some more. You can also go to YouTube and search with the same key phrase mobile photography, and you will find almost all the course modules free on YouTube. Step number 3, learn these modules one by one for free, and as you learn, create your course modules inside Epic using artificial intelligence. Make sure to make your videos under 1 minute long. This will give you an advantage to use the same videos as YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and TikTok videos, and at the same time, these same videos will be used as your course module that you are going to publish on Udemy and make money. You can of course make longer videos anytime you want and publish on YouTube if you simply spend 3 to 10 minutes every day to learn a skill about a topic or a module, and another 3 to 10 minutes to make a video about it. You will have 30 content highly exclusive and awesome professional content ready. These same videos will work as your marketing videos as well as your course module. You don't need to wait for 30 days to publish your videos and courses. You can start publishing your videos on YouTube and your course on Udemy starting today, and this is what you should do. So you start getting traffic, visitors and customers from YouTube, and you start making money from Udemy starting today. Here is a bonus tip. Don't start charging for your courses from day one because you are new and you have no students on Udemy, so Udemy will not promote your course. Ask your video audience that you publish on YouTube, and YouTube will send audience to your videos. Ask them to get your course for free from Udemy. Give away your course for free to your YouTube audience. And in the very first section of your course, ask your students to give you a 5-star rating and a positive review. After you start getting positive reviews and ratings, Udemy as well as Google algorithms will take notice of your popular course and they will start promoting it. That is the time when you start getting free traffic and free customers from Udemy and Google. You don't have to sell. Your course content, customer ratings and feedbacks and testimonials together will sell your course without you even trying to sell. That is the time when you start charging money and making money. By the way, you don't have to wait to start charging money or making money. You can start making money from today. You can start making money by offering affiliate offer to your YouTube audience. It's completely harmless and pretty much passive income. Now let me show you some YouTube demo. I just searched with mobile photography on YouTube, and the first shorts I see has got 2.7 million views. The second one 227,000 views. Third one 53,000 views. The fourth one 28,000 views. 699,000 views. 2,400 views. 95,000 views. 115,000 views. 1.2 million views. 9.9 thousand views. Wow. Multiply these views with $5. This is potentially the money you can make from these views using affiliate marketing. Okay, question. Why am I asking you to make short videos or shorts videos? Because shorts is a new feature for YouTube, and YouTube is trying to make it popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. So YouTube is promoting shorts and shorts creators heavily, and it makes our life super easy because it's just 1 minute video and it can be made using amazing AI software like Epic in just 3 minutes. Link is in the description. Go get it right now.
Simply create new. Give your video a name, select vertical and click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any free source. Paste it here and your image is imported. Now, you can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want to voiceover, and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want. Click the text generator and paste it right here. Use our artificial intelligence to rewrite for you or use the spinner to rewrite. It is your choice. Let's use the spinner and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic, or use the text to audio feature to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type based on text here. Then click submit. Your voiceover is ready. Go to the audio section. And here is your audio. Your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length, and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back later and add more video sections. You can also use our templates, which we have designed for our customers. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. You will receive an email notification once the render is complete. This is exactly how we made this video right here. You can download it and then upload it or directly upload it to Google Drive, Dropbox or other platforms. Or you can directly publish it on YouTube or other platforms.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way, and the fun way. In return, we want a simple favor from you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button. And you can help your friends and family and social media contacts with learning how to make money online by sharing this video with them. Do that and they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and they will refer more customers to you, helping you make more money. Plus, you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.